Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Vince over at Ceramic Pro Killeen, and so today we've got a Cadillac CT5 Blackwing, but it's a special Cadillac. It's already coming in the matte paint, so this is actually the factory color, and what we're going to be doing is applying the Cavazos matte PPF on this. So normally we do a stealth conversion, but since this is already matte and our client doesn't want it gloss, I've already done a little demo piece right here where we've applied PPF over top of this, so it kind of takes it from satin to matte. So we're going to be doing PPF full body, and then we're going to be doing full car window tint. So front windshield, rear windshield, every part of the car. So stay tuned. This is going to be a dope video. Alrighty guys, so what you're seeing here is the CT5 Blackwing stealth package. So it is now complete, and while we do call it the stealth package, it is the Cavazos matte PPF, of course. And so now you're seeing a finished product. The windows are tinted, front windshield's tinted as well. All the windows around are tinted. Now it has full PPF on the entire body. And so for everyone that's thinking about PPF and you're like, oh, I don't want to do clear, this is another option for you as well. So say you have a black car and you just want to create, what we call the Batmobile look. This is that option for you. So we can do the matte PPF on the entire vehicle. Or if you're just a person that's like, hey, I want to do the matte hood, but you want to do it the right way, where you don't get rock chips and have to replace the vinyl, repeatedly, we can definitely do a hood only on the stealth conversion for you. So that's just another service that we offer. We can just take the matte PPF and place it right over your gloss black hood, and it will come out like this, and you'll still have that look that you're running. So this is just another option in PPF. This is just something else that we do at 2020 Auto Spa. Tell us what you think in the comments, guys.